Good morning. This is Shannon, Birdsong Quilting. We are live and late today. We're sorry we're late, but thank you for joining us. We have a hodgepodge of information to go over today. So let's begin with the quilt we have behind us. Amy did this lovely quilt, Elizabeth Hartman. It's called Star System. It comes in the form of a kit. We had many of these, and we are down to either 2 or 3, I think, and we're selling them today for $116. So this is today, no, we'll do it through Saturday. There are people who watch in the evenings. So from today through the end of the day, 4 p.m. Saturday, we are selling Star Systems quilts for $116. It is beautiful. Great for a grandchild who loves to watch the stars. Oh, I loaded a new app on my phone so I could hold it in the sky at night while I'm at home in the morning at 3:30 and see which constellations I'm looking at. All right, next on my little informal list today, we are really, really informal today. We have the May placemats. So this is a subscription. Many of you know, well, you should know by now if you are a subscriber to the placemats. We have May, which are beautiful watercolor flowers, and June, which is berry month, apparently. Life is sweet. So, and family gathers here. Look at that. I love that one. This will be perfect for May and Memorial Day. We're all going to have those events where the family gets together. So remind you, May and June placemats are ready. We did also receive July, August, September, I think, but we'll show those to you at a future date. All right, let's see what else. Oh, did I mention the sale yesterday? We have taken everything, literally everything, off of the sale wall and put it down on a table. It has a black dot on it, and we are selling it for $5 a yard. There are all kinds of materials over there. There's some shiny stuff, there's some neutral stuff, there's some tone-on-tone colors, and I think there's some tulip pink and some, maybe any panels? No? Maybe not any panels, but there's a
floor panels.
Big selection of panels. I mean, a big selection of quilts there that are all $5 off until gone. So, well, no, actually through Saturday. $5 off through Saturday. So you need to come in and get those soon as well because they are going to go away. When I did that, I also put a whole bunch of tone-on-tones on 25% off. So if you need a backing, some sashing, if you need, now is a good time to come and pick out some of your favorite tone-on-tones that are on the wall now at 25% off. The reason I did that is we are getting in a whole new line of solids. They feel wonderfully soft, and so I needed to make room on that color wall that we have. The Handy Quilter event's coming up in about a week and a half, and we are inviting you to join us if you have not already signed up for your spot. This is a hands-on event. We're doing 5 days of training. You can access those classes online under the HQ event. They're listed under the classes tab, I think. And we are offering a special because we do have some seats open. You know, put yourself on the schedule, bring a friend for half price. So basically 2 people come for the price of 1. And so, did I say that right, Vicki? No. Half price? No, the friend gets it half price. Yes. Sorry. So, but we do have a few seats open. So we would love for you to join us if you're considering adding a pro stitcher to your current quilter, or if you don't own a quilter yet. We will have a Moxie back here. We'll have maybe a Simply. We'll have Amaras and Infinities, Capris. You will get to try out some machines and learn from a national educator. Harriet's coming back. She was here in March. So we're looking forward to that event. We even feed you lunch if you book the whole day. So that is a reminder about our Handy Quilter event. Let me look at my list. Oh, the March CEO Club. Amy pulled the winner today, and the winner is Mary Ann Gettard. So we want to thank you all for getting all of your projects in. Mary Ann, you are eligible or can come and pick up your gift card whenever it's convenient for you. You are the winner, and we still are starting already to get people bringing in their April CEO finished projects. So don't forget to bring those in. This month is National Stress Awareness Month. Sewing relieves stress. Try and sew 30 days every day, and come in and bring us your CEO projects. One new line I wanted to show you. Remember I told you it was a hodgepodge of all kinds of stuff. We have some bolts new from Riley Blake, and they're kind of that old-fashioned, kind of traditional look. So there's a panel. Vicki, am I too close?
Nope.
There's a panel with these birds. And we've kitted this up. You could add another black border. I think it would look really nice. And so we have the bolts of the bird panel, the black and white. We have more of this stripe. What else do we have here? Oh, there's another panel. We're having a sample made of some kind of nostalgic seed packets and newsprints. There's a kit for this as well, and I will show that to you probably next week. And background white to offset the black. There's lots to choose from. It's from Riley Blake, so you know it's beautiful fabric. Come and take a look, brand new in the store. And then the last thing I wanted to talk about, this is called Art Journal fabric, and if you can't remember the name, just ask at the front desk for the birds or the newsprint, and people will know. Long arm event, March CO. The last thing I have is the winner of our brackets. Anybody look up the winner?
I did.
Oh, Amy knows the answer.
Come hold
Hold on.
Hold one.
Hold one. Come up here. You hold DD like this. I'm gonna hold LL. And Vicki, I don't even know the answer, do you?
Drum roll.
Drum roll. Okay. What?
DD.
DD.
Oh!
Oh, DD, the Black Mysteria is the winner. I went down. LL was mine. I was there all the way to the end, and I lost in the very final game.
But DD was.
And whose pick was DD?
Vicki.
Wow.
We want to thank you guys for joining us for the bracket challenge. We loved it. We had fun. We're going to make it bigger and better next year. And telling you all to go come to the store today before the weather gets bad and get your $5 yardage. Vicki, was there one other thing?
And we'll announce the winner of the overall brackets.
We still got to calculate all the overall brackets, and we'll announce that as well. See you guys later. Thanks.